For the last 20 minutes, I would like to invite you into a dialogue of these different levels. So, like we were talking, or I was talking about this range, all the range from, like we would say, forebrain, interpretation, rationalization, all the way down to the cellular level, to the fluid, tissue, the flesh, the architecture of the body. And so if you, for a moment, if you recall an experience of the last, let's say, 3 months in the confinement, an experience where you didn't feel well. I mean, in a way, you feel stressed, or you feel afraid, or you feel triggered in some way. You feel like a difficult experience, let's say. Just pick one experience, and you would try to evoke that memory, and you picture, imagine in yourself the situation, the place where you have been. Was it morning? Was it afternoon? Were there other people present? So the context of where it happened, and maybe you reacted directly to somebody saying something, or you heard something on the news, or it's just something arising, a thought inside of you, something which stimulated or triggered a response, a reaction in you. And when you are in contact with that, just notice, how does it feel on the level of your skin? How do you feel it on your skin when you go into the experience of that memory? And notice any other reactions in your body, from the level of your skin to maybe your heart, any muscular tension you observe, maybe changes in temperature. And then come back to feeling the contact you have with the floor, or with the chair, or with the ball, or with another person. Just bring your awareness again to the contact you make, physical contact you make, where your tissues maybe are compressed through the gravity, through the weight of your body, where you feel that maybe that dialogue, touch and being touched on that cellular fluid tissue level, but also allowing your sensory nerves picking up that information from the tissue. Just really letting information enter your nervous system from the periphery, from the bottom up into your brain. And just notice, observe what happens with your skin, your heart, your muscles, anything changing when you bring the attention to the contact and the process from the periphery, from the bottom up to your brain. And maybe you can switch between feeling the contact, the physical contact, the cellular tissue level, and your memory, your images, your imagination, your thoughts, your emotions. So you're going between these two levels, how you're triggered, how an emotion is triggered, and how you feel your physical appearance and the physical contact. And then take your hands and put them on your face, covering your eyes and just move your hands a little bit so you are moving your skin over the bones. Just slight movement. So you feel the movement of your skin over the skull bones. And then slowly sliding your hands down towards your mouth and the chin. Taking parts of your skin with it. And then maybe in circles, massaging your skin, left and right side of the eyes, your forehead, little circles where you feel the skin sliding over the bones. And your jaw and the joint of your jaw, your lips, your nose, your eyes, just and the transition between the skin and the hair. You can use your fingertips, but not the top, more the padding of your fingertips, not the top of the fingers, but more the soft part of your ears, earlobes. And then behind your ears. And down left and right side of your neck. And then from the top of your head down and behind the ears a few times. Left and right side of the neck. And then combining that with turning your head to the right and to the left. And what we are doing is like opening the space for the vagus nerve. Also looking up and down. And then up, looking, moving head up. And then as you slide your hands down all the way to your heart, opening your heart or the space for your heart. And then just continue for a few more minutes where you want to bring touch and contact in your own body. Maybe down on your back, your kidneys, into your legs. Maybe crossing from the shoulders or the back of your head. And also using your breath, maybe if you want to exhale as you stroke down. And then coming back.